Understanding Infant Skincare, a guide for new parents. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the topic of infant skincare. This is crucial for all new parents or caregivers who want to ensure the health and comfort of their little ones. Let's dive into understanding the best practices and important considerations for taking care of an infant's delicate skin. Infant skin is significantly different from adult skin. It's thinner, more sensitive, and more prone to dryness and irritation. This section will explain these differences and why they make infant skincare unique. We'll discuss how an infant's skin barrier is still developing, making it more vulnerable to external factors like temperature changes and harsh products. Here, we'll go through the essentials of a daily skincare routine for your baby. This includes gentle cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting their skin from the sun. We'll emphasize the importance of using products specifically designed for infants, as they are free from harsh chemicals and fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin. Infants often face common skin issues like diaper rash, cradle cap, and eczema. This section will provide practical tips on how to identify and address these common concerns. We'll also discuss when it's necessary to seek medical advice. The market is flooded with baby skincare products, making it challenging to choose the right ones. In this section, we will guide you on what to look for in infant skincare products. We'll talk about ingredients to avoid and how to pick products that are gentle and safe for your baby's skin. Skincare isn't just about what you apply on the skin, it's also about the environment and diet. Here, we'll explore how a healthy diet and a clean, safe environment contribute to your infant's skin health. We'll provide tips on maintaining an ideal humidity level at home and choosing clothes that don't irritate the skin. Taking care of your infant's skin might seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can be a simple and enjoyable part of your daily routine. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Remember, every baby is unique, so always pay attention to how your child's skin reacts to different products and environments. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on infant care. Goodbye, and take care.